Hi guys, my name is Chris. I recently bought some solar pool heater parts. Show you what I did here. This right here is my DIY install. Ran all the PVC, the headers. Previously, I was using that. This was screwing into the end, which is the total wrong thing to do. I called Solar Pool Supply, and they talked me through what I needed. I wound up buying these connectors right here. And then to go from my 1/2 inch PVC into the panel, I had to get a coupling from the hardware store. This is the glue in one side, and that clamps down to the rubber boot on this side. So this has been up here for about 2 weeks, and I have not had one drip of water come out of it. On these guys, I was constantly fighting drips, tightening, reapplying thread tape, everything. These rubber boots were completely horrible. They warped. They're just too thin. But this stuff is heavy duty right here. I don't expect any problems. And the guys at Polar Solar Pool Supply were great. They called them up. They talked me through exactly what I needed. Parts were here in a few days. Put it on in no less than 30 minutes. And I'm super happy with the outcome. All right, thank you, Solar Pool Supply.